everyone, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Sunshine Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started right in the center of our page with the nose, and we're going to start by drawing in a sideways oval. Above this, for the center of the glasses above the nose, we're just going to draw in an arch line here. And then moving directly up above that again, just drawing in another arch line right in the center. Now let's draw in the bottom of the glasses. So coming down to about the middle of the nose, we're just going to curve this out and then we're going to tuck that up on the side. Let's round this out on the edge here. So from that line, we're just going to bring this over, in, and then back down right in the center. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, so rounding that corner out, pulling that through, and then tucking that back down in towards that center line. Let's draw on the lenses of the glasses now. So stepping in, leaving a gap on top of the nose, curving this over, around, down, and then back in. We'll move across on the left-hand side, up, over, down, tucking that back in. Now let's come up for the eyebrows. So just above here, we're going to curve this up and over to the side. And then from the inside here, we're just going to again curve that over and down. Let's draw on the mustache coming underneath. So underneath the glasses here on each side, we're just going to curve this line, arching that into the middle. Let's continue this as we come across. So again, curving this around and back up. And then we're going to do that once more, joining this together right in the center. For the mouth, stepping underneath, we're going to arch this line around and through on the right. And now for the tongue, we're just going to arch that in the opposite direction. Now coming underneath for the chin, we're just going to follow the shape of the mouth, curving that through. Let's step up here for the brim of the hat. So right in the center, we're going to curve this line across, right in the center. And then behind the glasses here, we're just going to bring this line down on a diagonal. We'll do that on each side. Now from here, we're going to connect this together for the front of the hat. So we're going to curve that over. And we're going to tuck that down and in on the right. Now let's draw on the hair on either side. So we're just going to start on the top, curving this around, tucking that in to the middle. And then now just arching this around and through towards the glasses. Let's close off the cheeks here. So underneath the hair, we're just going to curve this around and in towards that chin. We'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well. Now let's close off the top of the hat. So on each side, basically from the point here where the brim is, we're just going to curve this around, widening this as we come in and through towards the top. And then we'll start back on our line, blending that together as best as we can, tucking this over and through on the side. Now in the middle, let's draw on the Mario symbol. So we're going to draw in a nice big half circle right in the center. Now let's draw on the letter M. So we'll start with a smaller letter M on the bottom. And then we'll move up on a diagonal from that line, drawing in a bigger letter M. Now let's close this off with a diagonal line. Let's come down. Let's draw in a half circle for the ear here. So we're going to draw in a half circle on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in some details inside the ear here. So on the top, we're just going to curve this line out. And then moving down, we're just going to draw in a small half circle. Now let's draw on the shirt. So from the center, stepping out, we're going to curve this line around, flattening that out as we come in towards the middle. And then we'll replicate that over on the right. We're just going to end that at the same height. Now for the collar, stepping down, leaving a gap again, we're going to curve that out, tucking that in. And then now from the top here again, just curving that over and in towards that cheek. Now on the bottom here, we're going to curve this line up on a diagonal, bringing that out on each side. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back around and in towards the top, sort of just tucking that in towards the collar there. Now from here for the sleeve, stepping down on this line, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this back around and in towards that cheek. Now in the middle for the shirt, we're just going to draw in another curved line. Let's come down for the belt, replicating that. We're going to leave an even amount of space for this belt width here. And now from the center, stepping out, just drawing in a straight line for the buckle on each side. Let's come down, leaving a gap, and we're going to draw in the center of where the legs are going to go. And now let's move up and draw in the arms. So coming in from this line, we're going to curve this line down. We'll try our best to end that at the same height. Now for the wrist, stepping in, we're going to connect that. We're going to curve this around and down. Just rounding that edge out. Now for the thumb, stepping down, we're going to curve this around and in towards the shirt. Let's step up here. So from that point, we're just going to curve this line in. And then now we have a starting point of where to drag this around. So starting back on that line, we're just going to curve this over and in towards the thumb. Let's move in towards the middle for the leg. So starting from the center, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on each side, ending that at the same height. And then now on the inside here, we're just going to curve that down to the bottom, ending that at the same height. Now from that point, we're going to curve this out, up, and down, just framing in the top of the shoe. So across, arching that up, and then tucking that over and in, ending that at the same height. On the inside now, we're going to curve this around and down towards the bottom. And then we'll close this off with a curved line. Let's step up again. We're going to leave a small gap here for the sole of the shoe, tucking that in. Now moving up on top here, rounding this out, curving this over, down, and in on a diagonal. And now for the side of the shoe, we're just going to come up with a straight line on each side. Now we're going to add in the little suns here. So we're going to add in one on the left-hand side. So we're going to draw in a circle. For the eyes here on either side, we're just going to draw in a small oval, just coloring those in black. And then we're going to draw in a little arch line for the smile. On the top and bottom, we're just going to draw in a small straight line coming out. Do the exact same thing on either side. We'll come up on a diagonal, replicating that. And then we'll do that once more on the top here. Now on the end of each of these, we're just going to add in a small circle. Now that we have our one on the top, we're going to come down on the bottom of the shirt here, and we're going to draw in a half circle. We're going to come down, drawing in two more ovals, filling those in black for the eye. Now on the top, a small straight line coming up, moving out on a diagonal on each side, and then one more as we come across. Again, let's just add in a circle here. We'll just arch that through to the side. Let's draw another one on the right here. So let's move across and we're going to, let's draw this one in the middle here. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Let's draw in 2 ovals, coloring those in black. Let's draw an arch line for that smile. Straight line on the top and bottom. Straight line on either side. A diagonal line on each side. And then now from here, just drawing in another circle on each end. Let's come up to the left-hand side here, drawing in another half circle. We're just going to draw in a small arch line on each side for the eye, coloring that in black. Let's draw a straight line on the top, diagonal line on each side. We'll just fill a small circle in above each line. Let's draw one more over here in the corner, so curving this down, straight line coming out, diagonal line on each side, and then again just adding in a circle. And you can add as many of these as you want. I think I'm going to finish up there. So that is it. That's how you draw Mario Sunshine. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.